Durrell, this is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. I'm so excited you're allowing us to help you with that investment in your future. And unfortunately, the Ford Edge as well as the Sorrento you were asking about are not third rows, but have no fear. The 2010 Volkswagen Routan is, as you can see, the body is in great shape. It has the iconic Volkswagen emblem in the front, which is in chrome. You have the great headlights. You got nitrogen tires, which is a great feature. You have two doors that open straight through. I mean, this vehicle has so many wonderful features. It's a third row, of course, and it is leather. I love the fact that the DVD player is for the front as well as the back. It's just really a great vehicle. In the interior, you have heated seats for the driver as well as the passenger. You have air that goes throughout the vehicle in itself, which is really great. You also have extra outlet for someone to plug in their phone. Durrell, I know you saw the price. I know you saw the wonderful miles on this vehicle. Vehicles of this quality, and let me just say, this inexpensive, do not last long. So what I need you to do is come on down to 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. Better yet, call or text me on my cell phone to let me know what time you're going to be here, and I can have the vehicle waiting when you arrive. And that number is 205-702-1029. Durrell, here at Tameron Hyundai, you are going to love the way you treat it. I can't wait to meet you.